Awake, take action, cut the noise, and chase your dreams. You try many times. You push harder, yet still you fail. You see others getting quick success, but you're left behind. What you need is a complete transformation, and this is your last 90 days. You have to change your mind, face loneliness, and endure the pain through this journey. Once you start, there's no turning back. During this process, you might feel alone, and every moment you may want to give up. But remember, this is a movement we've started. We have made a commitment to ourselves to change and completely transform. Ask yourself, where do you want to see yourself a few years from now? Or will you still die as a weak, insulted by other poor person, looked down upon by others? Look into the mirror today and ask yourself, is this the person you dreamed of becoming? Now close your eyes and imagine the version of you after 90 days of relentless work, dedication, and sacrifice. That future version is waiting to be born. The only thing between you and that person is your action today. One thing I want to tell you as your mentor, the moment you start now, you'll be ahead of those making New Year's resolutions, while they will be resolving to start going to the gym, improve their health, or study harder. But at the same time, you will already be showcasing your upgraded version, leaving them behind. To achieve this, you only need to go through these 3 phases. Phase 1, disappear. Don't show others what you're doing right now. Just disappear. The more you expose yourself to people, the less likely you are to achieve anything big in life. Trust me, everyone must separate themselves from the world at some point. I'm going to cut myself off and disappear for a while. People have a tendency to feel more jealous of others' achievements than to find joy in their own successes. It's a natural sociological tendency. People always want to feel superior, whether it's financially, socially, or in status. And when they see someone trying to surpass them, they start feeling threatened and attempt to bring that person down. If you want something big in life, no one will give it to you. No one will appreciate you, nor criticize you. Whatever you are, just be yourself, alone, like a shadow, upgrading yourself day and night. Don't let others see that you are preparing for your next version. When people witness your transformation, they will be shocked. The first thing you need to do is control your tongue. As Mr. Pastor, a businessman and author, once said, you can change your world by changing your words. Your tongue can betray you the most, so first, you must control it. If anyone asks you what you're doing, what your plans are, simply reply, nothing special. I haven't thought much about it yet. Keep every important detail of your life hidden. Do not share it casually. Stop sharing your opinion or your views unnecessarily. Be completely silent, calm, and secretive. Open your mouth only when absolutely necessary. Let others wonder, what is he thinking? What is he going to do? Become a mystery that no one can solve. Nowadays, people share their plans on Instagram before they even achieve success. I will do this, I will do that, but you don't need to show others. You don't need to announce your next move. Let your upgraded version speak for you, not your words. Phase 2, ghost mode. Whether you call it ghost mode or monk mode, this phase is about working silently, hidden from the world. And it's not easy. To disappear like a ghost, you have to reprogram your mind. Stop caring about what others think of you. Ghost mode means your mind is controlled by one thought, that is, your goal. Write down your goals, visualize them, and keep them where only you can see them. Start working to achieve them. This should be your first priority. Forget everything else. Friends, social media, gaming, binge watching. It all needs to take a back seat. Your transformation is your priority. At the end of each day, your mission should be to ask yourself, Did I complete today's goal? Give your priority and importance to your goals and your own growth today. Anyhow, I will complete my goal. This will be one of the hardest decisions you'll ever make. You may need to break connections with many people, even distance yourself from your old self. But that's part of the process. You must become like a ghost with one purpose: to chase your goals. You'll need to put in your pain, hard work, tears, sweat, and every failure. In this dark journey, you'll be physically hurt, mentally drained, and you'll sweat and cry countless times. You will fail many times, but you will also grow stronger. There's no need to show how hard you're working. You don't need people's pity. You don't need to prove your struggle to them. Failure is not your enemy. It's the fear of failure that holds you back. You might fail today, tomorrow, and even on day 89. But what matters is that you keep moving. Every failure is a step closer to success. You must understand, people who succeed aren't the ones who never failed. They're the ones who never gave up. Remember, people respect you only for your success, not for your hard work. Everyone works hard. Everyone has struggles. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. He never this that he fail. But today, people don't remember his failures. They remember his one success. At the end of each day, review your tasks. Ask yourself, what did I achieve today? Am I continuously growing? Is this task essential for becoming the person I want to be? These questions will guide you toward success. In this whole journey, it is obvious you feel loneliness. But loneliness is not your weakness. It's the forge where strength is created. In this journey, the more isolated you feel, the stronger you're becoming. The world might forget you for a while, but in the shadows, you are becoming unstoppable. Use this time to build resilience and sharpen your mind. When you return, you'll be a force no one can stop. If you truly follow this path for 90 days, you will achieve the next level, the monk mode. This is where you develop self-discipline, focus, and become part of the top 1%. No one will be at your level. Your mind will be fully aligned with transformation, and you'll feel it within you. Phase 3. Make your comeback. This is the moment to make your comeback and show the world your true potential. You are not born to watch others' success stories. You are born to create your own history. I repeat, you are not born to watch others' success stories. You are born to create your own history. When your transformation is complete, you will return mentally, physically, and financially stronger. Yet something interesting will happen. You'll never be satisfied. This hunger for more will keep pushing you toward bigger and better goals. You'll remain a mystery, finding peace in the shadows of your success. You'll be ahead of everyone else. You'll become more confident, stronger, and relentless. This isn't just about the next 90 days. This is about setting the foundation for the rest of your life. The decisions you make today will echo for years to come. Do you want to leave behind a legacy of missed opportunities, or will you become a story of triumph that inspires others? Remember, your story is still being written. Make sure it's a masterpiece. If you truly want to transform yourself, start now. Just watching videos won't help you. Implementation is what changes you. These 90 days will never come back, so use them to change your life. This journey is yours, and only yours. The pain is real, but so is the reward. Start now. Push through the struggle. Embrace the loneliness. Comment below how you are going to transform in the next 90 days. And watch the next video. I'll meet you there. Tomorrow never comes. Start transforming today. Stop dreaming, start doing, transform today.